In this video, I will show you how to play CSGO after CS2. So let's jump straight into it. So with the recent release of Counter-Strike 2, of course Counter-Strike Global Offensive has been replaced. However, there is still a way to play CSGO. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Steam on your device and come across to your library. Now what you need to do is locate Counter-Strike 2 in your library, and if you simply right click onto this and then come down and click onto properties, that's going to open up a window like this. From here, come to this menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is press onto betas, and at the top you're going to see beta participation. So if you come to the right hand side, you've got a drop down box. If you click onto this, you're actually going to see CSGO legacy version. So go ahead and click onto this, and then what you're going to do is close this down, and it might ask you to update. So what you're going to want to do first is update, and once that's done, you'll be able to go ahead and play CSGO. Now, although this does enable you to play CSGO, I just want to note at this point that you will not be able to play multiplayer. Unfortunately, this has now been shut down the service for CSGO, so you can't play multiplayer. To play multiplayer, you do need to use CS2, but you can still play the practice maps with bots and things like that. It's just you won't get any sort of XP or anything like that. So I'm just going to give this a minute to update, and once that's done, I'll show you how to go ahead and load up CSGO. So here we are. As you can see, all the updates are now finished. So what you're going to want to do in order to play CSGO is just go ahead and launch Counter-Strike 2 as normal by pressing the play button, and what's going to happen, you're going to get a pop-up menu like this. As you can see, there is now the option to play the legacy version of CSGO. So all you want to do is select this from the menu and then just proceed to play the game by pressing the play button underneath, and what it's going to do now is actually start CSGO instead of CS2. So that's how to go ahead and play CSGO after CS2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.